Imagine buying a table, carrying it home in a flat box, and then spending an hour assembling it yourself. Sounds unusual, right? But that simple idea helped build one of the world's biggest furniture companies. Today, IKEA has become one of the world's largest furniture retailers, welcoming millions of customers every year and operating hundreds of stores across dozens of countries. But IKEA didn't begin as a global empire. It all started with a 17-year-old boy from Sweden who believed good products should be affordable for everyone. Long before IKEA existed, young Ingvar Kamprad had already discovered his passion for business. As a child, he sold matches, pens, Christmas cards, fish, and seeds to people in his village. In 1943, when he was just 17 years old, Ingvar used money he received as a reward for doing well in school to start his own company. The name IKEA wasn't random. It combined Ingvar Kamprad's initials with the names of his family farm, Elmtred, and his hometown, Agunnaryd. A simple name with a personal story behind it. At first, IKEA didn't sell furniture. The company offered everyday products like wallets, picture frames, watches, and household items through mail-order catalogs. But Ingvar soon noticed something bigger. Families wanted stylish furniture, but most couldn't afford it. In the late 1940s, buying furniture wasn't easy. Most pieces were expensive, heavy, and difficult to transport. Beautiful furniture was often considered a luxury that many families simply couldn't afford. Instead of accepting the way things worked, Ingvar asked one simple question: what if beautiful furniture could be affordable for everyone? That single question became the foundation of IKEA's future. In 1956, an unexpected moment changed IKEA forever. While preparing a table for transport, one of IKEA's designers removed its legs so it could fit into a customer's car more easily. That simple decision inspired one of the greatest innovations in retail history: flat-pack furniture. Instead of transporting bulky furniture, IKEA packed every piece into slim boxes that customers could easily carry home. Flat-pack furniture transformed IKEA's business. Smaller packages reduced shipping costs, saved warehouse space, and made transportation more efficient. Those savings allowed IKEA to offer stylish furniture at prices millions of families could afford. Flat-pack furniture wasn't IKEA's only brilliant idea. The company also reinvented the shopping experience. Every IKEA store is carefully designed to guide customers through almost every department before they reach the checkout. Instead of placing furniture on ordinary shelves, IKEA creates complete living spaces. Customers don't just see a sofa or a dining table. They imagine how those rooms could look in their own homes. This emotional connection makes buying decisions much easier. IKEA also understands that comfortable customers stay longer. That's why many stores include restaurants, cafes, children's play areas, and the famous Swedish meatballs. A simple furniture trip becomes an enjoyable family outing. And the longer customers stay, the more likely they are to discover products they didn't plan to buy. By the 1960s, IKEA had become a success in Sweden. But Ingvar Kamprad dreamed much bigger. He believed affordable, well-designed furniture should be available to families around the world, not just in one country. Over the following decades, IKEA expanded across Europe, North America, Asia, the Middle East, and Australia. Although cultures and lifestyles were different, IKEA kept the same promise everywhere: modern design at affordable prices. Today, IKEA operates in more than 60 markets with over 470 stores, serving millions of customers every year. From compact apartments to large family homes, IKEA has become one of the world's most recognized furniture brands. But IKEA's story is far from over. Today, the company continues investing in renewable energy, responsibly sourced materials, and sustainable products. In a rapidly changing world, IKEA understands that innovation doesn't stop after becoming successful. It must continue every single day. So, what can we learn from IKEA's incredible journey? First, solve a real problem that millions of people face. Second, don't be afraid to challenge traditional ways of doing business. Third, small innovations can create massive results over time. Fourth, focus on giving customers real value, not just selling products. And finally, think long-term. The strongest businesses aren't built overnight, they're built through consistency, patience, and continuous improvement. From a small mail-order business in rural Sweden to one of the world's largest furniture retailers, IKEA proved that success doesn't always come from complicated ideas. Sometimes, one simple solution, executed better than anyone else, can change an entire industry. The next time you walk through an IKEA store or assemble one of its flat-pack furniture boxes, remember, you aren't just building furniture. You are experiencing one of the smartest business ideas ever created. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money Growth, and tell us in the comments, which company should we explore next? Until then, learn, earn, grow.